Hello friends, today we are going to talk about ghee, clarified butter. It is very criticized because of lot of unsaturated fat plus saturated fat. But if someone consumes 1 teaspoon per day in the morning with hot water, tea or coffee, just 5 to 10 grams. The presence of 5 to 10 grams of fat, concentrated fat, even mustard oil, olive oil, those are fat, but this boiled and then decanted, like coconut oil as well, the same process. Milk oil, it is called ghee, milk oil, because it's the oil extracted from milk through stepwise processes. So it is concentrated fat. Concentrated fat presence in the intestine helps release cholecystokinin hormone, which helps contract the gallbladder to release its content into the intestine, to emulsify the fat into small droplets, so that there is more surface area for the lipase enzyme to act upon, coming from the pancreas. So what I mean to say, that as we evacuate our rectum 2 to 3 times at least every day using health flush faucet, so also we should evacuate our gallbladder. This is website in which I am publishing on different topics quite regularly since 19th July 24. I have posted about 150 articles, passages, health related. That's why the name is Sunshine Swasth. This website link will be given in the description. You can go in and change the language into any language popular in the world, about 100 languages, and that's from here. You see, I can change it into English. You see, this is some other language, Albanian. This is Arabic, and this can be changed into even English, Bengali, Urdu, any language, 100 languages, more than 100. I just counted how many that list comes there, and it is more than 100. Is the API we have installed in it, which within the blink of an eye transcripts everything, every detail given here, and there is question answer as well in this. If you have any query, I have tried to ChatGPT-4. I just write prompt, and very lengthy prompt, and ask ChatGPT to critically analyze. See, the ChatGPT-4, the advanced version of ChatGPT, the GPT-4, has given the response below. It gives very critically, adds some of the facts, gives examples, and really it throw light. It throws light over the facts and figures, and I'm sure if you have some time to scan through vertical reading, if you don't have time, need not read word by word, just vertical reading, a lot of facts will get into the mind to put into practice. Better habits, better health. That's the motto. That's what we want to achieve through this website. It is social entrepreneurship. There is no source of income yet. We are just investing and investing into it. We started in November 2020. And actually, now I started just from 19th July. I started writing very regularly on this, all related to health. PhysiologyWalla slogan: maneuver physiology of your body God has given. Interrelated, interconnected, interdependent systems in the body, in one body. We try to fragment the facts and try to think. We don't apply to our common sense to integrate and make a common sense out of that to apply. Just remember the facts and figures. That's not going to have to apply in our life to change the habits for better life, better health. So what I mean to say that ghee, the clarified butter, like medicine, not like food. Otherwise, why people think about losing weight, especially after 40-50 years of age? Because they have collected quite a lot in the body before 40-50 years of age. Why to collect so much? Just be conscious, calculative, how much to consume. Like this ghee, if you consume just 5-10 grams, 1 teaspoonful in warm water, tea, coffee, whichever, put in warm, it will help release cholecystokinin hormone and help contract the gallbladder to release its content. And very important these days for the gallbladder to empty regularly, like our rectum should get evacuated regularly 2-3 times, because we are eating 2-3 times about rectum. But gallbladder, even if you evacuate once in the morning, it will keep collecting from the liver all the stuff that it has been metabolizing the liver. Because in the gallbladder, not just bile, it's the metabolites of the medicines you are taking. Those tend to accumulate there, stagnate there, erode the mucosa, mucosa gets inflamed, it sticks to surrounding structures, progresses to cancer, formation of gallstone also. But if you regularly help it contract and empty itself into the intestine, it will do its function of emulsifying the fat, plus it will get empty, evacuated, no stagnation, no inflammation, no progression towards cancer changes in the cells there. So this is what I want to impress. The video is going to get very long now. I don't want to make it long, and I hope next time I will be coming with something more interesting than this.